Hi everyone. So here, welcome again to our channel, Building a House in Jamaica. Right now, what you're seeing are natural stone tiles, guys. Um, these tiles are built from 100% real natural stones. They're very unique, as you can see, beautiful and multicolored. When you get to see these stones close up, well, you can see them right there. um, Again, yes, these are indeed natural stone tiles. They will give your house a very luxurious look. Um, just like as you can see things coming along. Um, when they're done, they're sparkling, they're shine, and they're beautiful to give you a very, very elegant look. All right. So don't be afraid to like and subscribe for more updates as this entire project gets completed. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Building a House in Jamaica. Guys, as you can see, this is natural stone. Yes, these tiles are made of natural stone. Guys, these tiles are beautiful. They'll give the house and your house an elegant look. A look that will be so luxurious as you can see the thing coming along. Guys, I am excited to use these tiles. Yes, they're hard to source, but if you want to source them, you can always shoot us a message. Yes, we ask that you leave your comments in the comment section to let us know what you think about these dream tiles.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't you just love the look, that sheen? And guys, remember that they're under construction. A lot of dust is blowing here and there when the tiler is cutting the tiles and all that. So right now they're looking dusty. But as you will see in the coming parts of the video, you'll see that the tiles.
Yep. This is March 19th. This is where we are. Yeah. Building is coming along nicely. Yeah.
So yes, guys, thank you for spending the time to watch this video and to look at these luxurious real slash natural stone tiles. Um, we ask that you like and subscribe to our channel so that when the next video is out, you are the first to know.